Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the model name of your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So to do that, we're gonna need to either check the backside of the device. On the backside beneath the stand, we'll be able to see things like serial number, but it's not what we're looking for. So let's check the other side of the stand, and here we'll be able to see the model name at the bottom, the model number, which is 2076. And if you'd like to see more, we have to enter the UEFI or the BIOS menu of this device. To do that, we have to hold down the volume up key and then short press the power button to launch this device. Then you're gonna have to wait until we get to the UEFI menu. Now here you'll be able to see the model name of your device, and if you go to About section, you'll also be able to see the model right here. To exit, just go to Exit and select Restart Now and wait until your device is restarted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.